Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing my Dollar Tree haul, part 1. And I actually have part 2 right next to me, so we're going to be filming that right after this. So of course, subscribe and stick around so you can see that as well. I love dollar makeup. I love it, girl. If you stick around, you'll see that I do a lot of Dollar Tree hauls here, a lot of 99-cent store hauls here, a lot of IME cosmetics hauls. I love TJMAXX, so I love a lot of dollar makeup because it's just good. You don't have to break the bank to look good. So if you want to see everything that I picked up from my local Dollar Tree, of course, just keep on watching. But before that, don't forget, if you like tricks and makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell to notify whenever I upload, and if you can like the video if you like it. And the video's going to start right now. Alright, so let's get the randomy kind of products out of the way. The first product is this. This is the mini journal and sticky note set. It comes with a little waffle and a little bacon. It's so adorable. I cannot wait to try these out. I actually did film this on my TikTok. Everything that I talk about on my YouTube channel is already up on TikTok. So if you want to see that, definitely go follow me there. It's like more exclusive. You get the first look at everything that I purchased from Dollar Tree, from TJMAXX, everything. I do a lot of types of hauls over there as well as like skincare kind of vibes. So definitely follow me there if you haven't. TikTok saw this first. This is so adorable, and now I can finally open it and see everything up close. So I didn't know this is like a little notebook. I thought this was, oh, it does say journal and sticky notes. Okay. So I thought this was just sticky notes for some reason. I didn't like pay attention when I was reading that, but this is a little notebook. You can open it. Oh, that sucks. It's just the front cover that looks like that. I'm sad now. I thought all the sticky notes looked like little waffles. Okay, now the vibe has been a little killed because for some reason I thought these were a bunch of like little sticky notes. It's like a little egg. It's like a bunch of little sticky notes that look like an egg. That's how I thought the waffle was gonna be. I'm a little sad, but at least I have the little egg and the little bacon that actually are the sticky notes, so that's cute as well. All right, next I picked up 2 sticker books. These are so cute. I saw them in that little, oh gosh, it's like an arts and crafts kind of section near the cash register. They have a bunch of these little booklets. So this comes with 250 stickers in here, and it's just so cute. Let me see if I can find a way to show you guys. Just has so many cute stickers. They're adorable. So I thought, why not? I'm gonna get into journaling a lot more and kind of planning out my YouTube and my TikTok schedule because everything's been just a little too crazy for me. So I went ahead and picked up another one, and this one comes with different kind of vibes. Comes with little cats and little rainbows and little peace signs. It's just super cute. Why not? Stickers make life fun. So I went ahead and purchased 2 sticker books from the Dollar Tree. So before we get into skincare, let's talk about makeup-y kind of products. First off, I went ahead and purchased the Wet n Wild Gel Lip Balm. I cannot wait to try this out. I cannot wait to take it out of the packaging finally. I've had this stuff for a long time, just waiting to film for YouTube. But again, this is their gel lip balm. This is their Pout and Love in the color, not sure what the actual color is, but it's a pinky kind of vibe. Let me open it. So there's a close-up look at that. How cute is that? I love the packaging. I love anything from Wet n Wild, LA Colors. A lot of the brands that Dollar Tree carries are really good. Again, super affordable. Smells really nice and fresh. Cannot wait to try this out on the lips. You guys know how much I love my lip balms and chapsticks, so definitely cannot wait to try that out. I did go ahead and purchase 2 more Remi products. These are the Remi Rose Cosmetics liquid lipstick and lip gloss. I love both of them. I already own different colors, so I decided why not pick these up. So this one here is their Everlasting liquid lipstick in the shade Jenna, and this one seems to be more of a nude kind of vibe, so I thought I would love this color. Close-up look at the color Jenna. It looks to be like a dark brown gray kind of vibe. I love their liquid lipstick formula. I've actually used up a couple other colors. If you guys watch my empties videos, there's the color Jenna, perfect for the fall months. So I went ahead and picked up a lip gloss. I already own a couple other shades, but I thought why not throw this in my cart. This one here is in Belle, and again, their lip gloss formula, 10 out of 10. There's a close-up look at that color. Again, this is just a lip gloss. So stunning. I'm telling you, if you haven't tried out Remi Rose Cosmetics, you're missing out. They have really amazing products for so inexpensive, literally $1. They're so good. So I did go ahead and repurchase the LA Colors Hydrating Face Mist. This one here is in Rose. I have used it up before, so I thought why not? Let's pick it up again so I can do another full face of Dollar Tree soon. So there's a look at that. I already do have like the cucumber one. I did a TikTok, you know, showing you guys that product recently, and this is so good. Perfect for whenever you're traveling or whatever. It's like the perfect travel size kind of product, and I really love the actual formula, so I keep repurchasing. All right, let's get into the skincare products. I did pick up this Be Pure Tea Tree Clay Mask. I haven't really been into clay masks, but I thought, why not? Let's throw it in the cart. I saw that this was the last one as well, so I wanted to see how this works. Here's a close-up look at that. Looks really interesting. Let me know down below if you have ever used a clay mask from the Dollar Tree. Cannot wait to try this out. It looks very interesting, so we'll see how that works. And it does come with a little protector as well. I saw these as I was about to check out from Dollar Tree. These are two of their Bio Miracle Skin Therapy Stardust with Glitter Smooth Soothing Peel Off Mask. So I got two different colors. I got the green one and the purple. I thought, why not? Let's try them out. So I believe it just comes in here and you just kind of spread it out all over your face and then let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes and then you peel it off. So we're gonna see how these work. I also saw this body souffle from Bolero, and this is the after shower cream in the peonies and pear scent. So I thought, why not? Let me throw it in my cart. It was also the last one, so cannot wait to try this out. I've really been into body butters and those body kind of products, so I cannot wait to try this and see thoughts. It smells so good. Lastly, I went ahead and picked up another body wash. This is part of their Spa Luxury Aromatherapy collection. So they also have a bunch of like hand creams. I believe they have like a shampoo and conditioner in this line. I saw that they also had a body wash, so I thought, why not pick it up? This one here is in the relax scent, so it should smell really good and feel relaxing in the shower. So again, this is their body wash and foaming wash in the Relax Refreshing Mint Eucalyptus scent. There's a close-up look at that. So it looks very like watery. So we'll see how that works. I kind of want to smell it. Oh, smells so good. Yeah, cannot wait to try this out in the shower. I'll definitely update you guys in an empties video soon. This is the last product for part 1. Again, stick around and subscribe so you can see part 2. Girl, part 2. Subscribe and stick around so you can see part 2 of my Dollar Tree haul. That was the last product and we made it to the end. We made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I did filming this video today. Everything that I talked about, all the names of the prices are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget I upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, so if you could stick around, that would be amazing. I have both my Instagram and my TikTok on the screen. Please go follow me on both. I post a lot of different content on each of them, and I've been very active on TikTok as of lately, so go ahead and follow me there if you can. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.